This is how I saved $1,800 using credit card points on my trip to Kauai. Today we're going to be talking about how to book vacation rentals on Vacasa using Wyndham Points. Hello everyone, my name is Michael. This is Nurse Michael Travels, where we talk about award travel, travel plans, and saving money. Let's get right into it here. Alright, so here's the play. Like I said, we're transferring Wyndham Points to Vacasa. Now some of y'all may be thinking, what the heck is a Wyndham and a Vacasa? So Vacasa, I can't help but say it with an Italian accent. Vacasa. So with a Vacasa, it's an equivalent to an Airbnb is how I think of it. What Airbnb is to hotel rooms and apartment rentals and all that, Vacasa is with vacation homes specifically. And so you can rent vacation homes from private businesses or personal or private owners and stay in vacation rentals that way. Wyndham is actually another brand of hotels. If you don't know, they have Days Inn, they have La Quinta, and all of those types of hotels. And so it's not a super known thing in some circles, but you can actually use Wyndham Points to book Vacasas. And that's nice because once you get the Wyndham Points, you don't have to do any extra transfers. You simply just call Vacasa on the phone. Hey, I would like to book a vacation rental with my points here. And so being able to book vacation rentals is especially useful in places with not that much availability in points hotels. Think like Alaska or rural areas, maybe near national parks. So Wyndham Points, of course, can be earned by staying in Wyndham hotels, the La Quintas, Days Inn, Super 8s, etc. However, if you're not staying in those hotels regularly, the easiest way is to do it with credit card spend, and another way is through the shopping portal. And so some credit cards that you can earn Wyndham Points with include the Wyndham credit cards offered by Barclays. There are personal card options as well as business card options. Another way to earn a healthy stash of Wyndham Points is by transferring miles from Capital One cards or from Citi cards over to Wyndham. And so the cards that are able to transfer to Wyndham from Capital One include the Capital One Venture and Venture X cards. And the Citi cards that transfer one-to-one over to Wyndham include the Citi Premier card and the Citi Prestige. However, the Citi Prestige is no longer accepting applications, so it's really just the Citi Premier card that transfers one-to-one to Wyndham. I specify that one-to-one ratio with the Citi Premier because technically you can transfer your Citi Thank You points, which are offered by the Citi Double Cash, the Citi Preferred Plus, and other Citi cards that earn thank you points. You can transfer those to Wyndham. However, it's at a lower ratio of 1,000 Citi points transfers to 800 Wyndham points. So it really benefits you to instead transfer points from the Citi Premier over to Wyndham. And now, it is worth noting that you can earn points with the Citi Double Cash, combine them with your Citi Premier, and then transfer one-to-one that way to get the full value of the points. This is also true for the Capital One cards. For instance, if you earn points or cash back with the Saver One card from Capital One, or with the Sparks business card, you can move that cash back, transfer those into Venture miles, and then transfer to Wyndham from there. So same concept from Citi also applies to Capital One with those credit cards. Wyndham also has a shopping portal, which isn't super common for hotel chains. You'll often see them for airlines. However, Wyndham seems to be one of the few hotel chains with a shopping portal. And it's worth noting that the shopping portal works a little bit more slow. It takes typically 45 days, and the full 45 days, for your points to hit your account from the time that you make the purchase and it registers. But it's maybe worth using because they have some fat bonuses sometimes. I'm talking 12 points per dollar from different merchants. However, it's seasonal and only from time to time. So now that we've got the Wyndham Points and figured out how to earn those and how to transfer those, let's see how to find the Vacasa. So looking at the website here, so this is what it looks like. You see it looks a lot like a hotel landing page or Airbnb booking page. And so you type in your destination, what dates you want to go to, and how many guests are going. And then as you can see, it shows up all the different properties, and you can look at the map and search by the map location. and then it shows pictures of all the properties and the ratings. And as you can see, there's some pretty nice places here in Kauai, and so they're not too shabby. You can apply filters, and I'm going to apply max of 1 bedroom, and I'll touch on why later. However, that's what you'll want to do as well, and then it'll show you the number of properties per the area, and you can scroll through, you can click on it, and it's really nice, like I said. And booking price of $2,000. Again, this is for a 1 bedroom, although it says in the details here that it can seat or sleep 6 people within this 1 bedroom due to a double mattress and a pull-out bed that they have here. Gives you all the amenities, and it's worth noting that there's no central heating or central AC in some of these properties. This was true also for the one that we stayed at whenever we went to Kauai. And so anyways, that's what the Vacasa page looks like. All right, so once you find all the properties you like, and then you'll want to call Vacasa. It's an 800 number, and so that'll hook you up to a Vacasa representative, and then you'll just give them the listing numbers after you give them your Wyndham Rewards account number, and then they'll be able to check those properties for the dates you're interested in. You book with them over the phone, they give you a confirmation number, and the booking is refundable so long as you cancel over 30 days of the actual stay. And so as you could tell, you need the Wyndham points in your account before booking. And so a pro tip would be maybe call before you transfer your point to make sure any of those listings that you want are available to book for transferring your points, so you don't have stranded points within the Wyndham program if you don't want them. And then when it comes time for your stay, it's a very natural Airbnb-esque experience. There's an app where it'll give you like the home rules, the owner can communicate with you, you communicate with them, give you their Wi-Fi password and all that, and then you just stay and have a good time, enjoy the beautiful property. So the best uses of using this strategy is that it's a great alternative for points hotels whenever they're just not present in the destination you want to go to, or if you're lacking points in that particular program where it is available. 15,000 points isn't that expensive for a hotel room. It rivals that of Hyatt. It's also great for your non-rural destinations where vacation rentals are more present than chain hotels, although they can be found in some cities. I've seen them when looking at properties in Seattle and in California to stay at, for instance. We personally used this to stay 4 nights in Kauai using 60,000 Wyndham points, and this saved me over $1,800 doing this. It was a beautiful place in Poipu, Kauai, the North Shore, beautiful area, and way out of our budget normally. We earned these points with the Barclays Wyndham Earner Business Plus card. It has a $95 annual fee. However, you do get 15,000 bonus points every card anniversary. It currently has a 2-tier sign-up bonus worth a total of 75,000 points, which is enough for 5 nights in the Vacasa. To earn the full 75,000 with the current sign-up bonus, you have to spend $10,000 over a 12-month period. Now, I won't go super into the details because I don't know how long this promotion is going to last, and I imagine the video will outlive it. I will say a common sign-up bonus range is about 60,000 miles, and that's how much it was whenever I earned the card. The Wyndham Business card is worth discussing, and I'll end up posting a video link above whenever I have that available. It has some nice perks, particularly a high earn rate on gas, and it comes with a nice status that can be worth some status matching and give you some extra perks that way. So there's your guide booking Vacasa vacation homes using Wyndham points. Be sure to subscribe below for future notifications on our new videos. Check out the blog if you're interested in the written word, and there's some details below to kind of help you with your Vacasa bookings in the future. Thank you all. See you in the next one.